Selamat Madani. Hi, welcome to ZASSPRINT channel. In today's Miss Manager Desk, we will talk about how to use ZASSPRINT. To start, scan the QR code or type ZASSPRINT in your browser. Next, it's time to register as a new user or log in to your existing account. In the desktop, click on the Upload and Print button. Select your nearest kiosk and upload your PDF document. You can upload up to 10 documents. Select the print setting for each document. Click Next and Confirm. Here you will see the print preview and order summary. Select your payment option and proceed to checkout. Select your bank and scroll down to proceed. Once the payment is settled, you will either be redirected automatically or prompted to log in to your ZASSPRINT account again. Here, you will find the Print Now button next to your document. Please remember to click the Print Now button only when you are physically present at the kiosk and ready to collect your printed documents. At the kiosk, your document will begin to print seamlessly. Settle! Print anytime, anywhere with ZASSPRINT.